We've talked a lot recently about the Onestop Learning Portal and what it offers. So in this video, I want to provide a quick walkthrough of the product so you can get a better sense of what it's all about. So once you sign in, this is what you're greeted with. Now the way that the Onestop Learning Portal is displayed aims at making it as easy as possible for you to get around. Unlike with Google or any other web browser, you won't spend tons of time looking for the right content. As you can see, there's a search bar at the top if you're looking for a specific topic, video or category. Or you can scroll through our library and see some of the hundreds of videos on offer. Everything is organised into subject categories, so there's mental health in the workplace, remote working, cybersecurity, introduction to Office 365 and so on. Now, what you can see here are actually snack-sized courses. So let's say I want to learn more about Microsoft Teams. You can see when I click through, I'm presented with several short training videos. So this is what it looks like for every course, but obviously some contain more videos than others. You can easily click through each video as you go for a seamless learning experience. Not only is it so easy to use, but there's courses that genuinely help staff develop their knowledge and learn new skills. And there are enough courses on here for everyone to get the maximum value out of it. Now the final bit I want to show you is extremely useful for managers. So on the Analysis tab, admins can review the site's history to see what their staff have been working on. This is great for keeping track of your team if you have asked them to take specific courses. I hope I've given you a better idea of what the Onestop Learning Portal is all about and that you now realise how much your business needs it. Schedule a call through our website or get in touch with the team if you want a piece of what we have to offer.